What is going on, guys? It's Kai here and welcome back to a day in the life of a sneaker reseller. Now, if you're new to the channel, I like to do these here and there. We go through what I do in a day, sales, deliveries, anything along those lines, we take you along. First things first, thank you everyone for 8,000 subscribers. We literally hit that a couple days ago, so I can't thank you guys enough. And to celebrate this, we are going to do some giveaways. First things first, we'll give away a pair of free flax slides, 8, 9 or 10. This is only going to be for UK people, I'm sorry. And secondly, Porter Proxies have agreed to do a giveaway with us. Porter Proxies is a proxy company that I personally use for sites like Nike and so on, and they've agreed to give 3 lots of 10 ISPs for completely free. So a massive shout out to them. So how to enter? All you got to do is like today's video, subscribe to the channel, and send me proof of that in my Instagram DMs. Say what size you want, say why you should win this giveaway, but make sure you have proof to the channel that you are subscribed and you've liked today's video. Let's get into what we got to do. All right, first things first, we have a package that has come in and some other stuff as well, but we'll get into it. We've picked up another 3 pairs of Seafoams. All these boxes here are Seafoams, and all of these over here are also Seafoams. We've been stocking up massively on this shoe. But yeah, we got these from a friend of mine, to be fair, and we got these for a very good price. So ours is currently sitting around the 260 mark, and we picked up these for, I think it was the 235 to 245 pound mark. But yeah, as we can see here, it's a Jordan 4 Seafoams, all 3 of them. We've got sizes UK 6.5, UK 7.5, and another UK 6.5. So we're gonna get these into the spreadsheet. I like to try and sell above StockX ask, hence why I pay resale for some items. So yes, I got these for resale at around the 235, 245 pound mark. However, we'll expect to sell these for above ask. So we're gonna be looking to sell these around the 280 to 300 pound mark. Just because demand is so high for this sneaker, especially in the summer, I can see the sneaker performing really, really well. So if you're looking for a little investment tip, well, you know where to look. For now, we will put these over here because these are not on the stock list. Right, some more deliveries that have also come today. This is actually not really a delivery, we just picked it up from another address. We got these on Nike, just some Photon Dust GS pair. This is a literally tiny pair. This is a UK 3.5. Obviously, I didn't go for all UK 3.5. This is the only one I've got of this small of a size. However, we won it on some new Nike accounts. It was just more of a test run more than anything. So we'll get these checked in. For a retail of, what is it, 100 and a bit pounds, it's definitely worth it for Jordan 4. Photon Dust out of the way, we've got a couple more packages as well. Again, this was just a delayed pickup from a raffle win. This is a raffle win from Sized, and yeah, as you probably tell by the box, it is another Jordan 4 Seafoam, but this one was for retail. So we got a fair couple pairs retail, we got a fair couple pairs of Photon Dust retail. However, I'm still buying for resale as well because, you know, it's just more money to be made. This is a UK 6.5 again, seems to be like a popular size with the most stock, but get these on the spreadsheet. These were copped for retail, so very, very nice. Last package we have got for, well, actually we've got some more stuff after this, but it's another pair of grey fogs. I forgot what the name was for a second then. This is a higher size, I'm pretty sure. This is a UK 12, and we'll get that back in to the stock list. The last one we had a bunch of these Broken Planet hoodies come in. Yeah, we got a load of Broken Planet hoodies in. You even get these little things with it. We obviously, I'm only showing 2 here. I'm wearing one, and the person recording this is also wearing one. So there's half the hoodies gone. But we've got 2 here. We're due another 2 to come, and we've also got 2 at another address. So we had 8 hoodies all together, and resellers looking really good on these. They're also quite comfortable and nice to wear. You can see a nice back on them. It's pretty cool. And I only found out today there is pockets in there. But yeah, we had 4 of this one and 4 of the dark brown one. But we did ping these and notify all the members within KaiKicks Apprentice. You're going to hear me talk about KaiKicks Apprentice a lot if you don't know already. As long as being a full-time reseller, I also teach others how to resell as well. So we give you everything you need to know about shoes and even random resale information such as these hoodies that released. These retailed for £100. Not many people knew about the release and demand is just nuts for it. They sold out within 2 to 3 minutes, so it was a really easy manual cop. All of these 8 hoodies were all manual, and there's people asking for these around £170. So really easy £70 profit on these hoodies. Now, some people aren't going to like me for reselling these hoodies because it's streetwear and you're ruining the brand or whatever, but if someone's willing to pay that, that's not my decision, that's someone else's. But 8 hoodies, 2 are kept, so 6 hoodies, £70 profit, that's pretty good margin. That is all the deliveries had today, but we've also got a load of sales. Right, so we haven't had too many sales today. We sold 6 pairs today. Starting off with a pair of Yeezy Side Onyxes. As you know, we have quite a lot of pair of Yeezy Side Onyxes at the moment. We had 60, we sold about 30. I do not know what to do with the rest. I'm in 2 frames of mind since the whole Yeezy Kanye stuff has happened. I've been holding some pairs, but they've gone up so much that they're sitting around the £160 mark at the moment. So I've kind of just been moving them for around 140 to 160. We sold 2 pairs of these, a size 8 and a size 9 for £150. And before anyone asks, I get loads of DMs and questions about this. This is after fees, okay? I'm not selling on StockX for 150 and I'm only getting 130. This is the price I'm getting after fee. I've said that like 4 times in videos and people still think, oh, well, if you sold on StockX, you only made £20 profit. Grow up. 2 pairs sold of Yeezy Flaxes, the brick slides. Again, we bought these for £66. We're not making much profit on them. We sold them for 75 each, so literally £9 profit after all the fees, which isn't the best. However, it is what it is. It's a bit of money to add on, and we're selling multiple pairs. Obviously, we've got like 50 pairs of them. 50, around 30 left, I'd say now. It all adds up, you know, £10 profit when I had 60 pairs at the start. It makes money in the end. And we have sold a pair of Seafoams. This is a UK 6.5. We got these for retail, this pair, so it would have been 180, or was it 200? 180 or 200, I forgot what the retail was. However, these are sold for £265 after fees, which is above ask, so it's pretty good money. Finally, we sold a GS pair of Photon Dust. Again, this was copped on retail. This is actually a size raffle win, but we raffle botted. You want to start learning to raffle bot, KaiKicks Apprentice. But yeah, I feasted on this release, and a lot of other people did as well, but this pair was for retail, so was it £105, and these sold for 160. This is a UK 5.5. or a 6Y. We've been pushing quite a lot of sales recently. This has been a bit of a slow week. I've been on holiday for a week, so I just come back. Didn't really want to sell loads at the start. Just trying to find my feet again. Next week, when I'm finally back on my feet, I'm running up again. We're going to be looking to push around the 10 to 20 grand a month in sales, which is what we were previously at before we went on holiday, but I'm just easing myself in. But if you want to show all the stock I've got at the moment, we're looking quite good, okay? I can kind of go through what I have. This is all like miscellaneous, I'll be honest. So you've got some random pink mids some GS Panda Dunks that I've got. This stack here is all Seafoams. This stack here is all GS Photon Dusts. That small stack here, 4 pairs. They're all GS Panda Dunks as well. I've been cooking up for them recently. I say cooking up, I've been more paying resale for them just because they're moving so well. We've got 9 pairs of the Rose Whisper Dunk. A lot of people are calling these bricks, however, I'll be really honest, they move. The colorway is really nice. Yeah, but when I'm only spending £110 for a shoe and flipping it for 135, after fees, looking about £10 to £20 profit a pair. That's a nice 10 to 20% return on investment, so I'm not really complaining. It's a good stock shoe to have. We got some lost and found still. We've also got some pairs of lost and founds here, so we're looking good on them. We've got some nice hype stuff there. We've still got Air Jordan 4s, still got some Travis Scott, and we've also got Travis Scott Phantoms here as well. We've got another 2 pairs. Moving on to here, we've got all Yeezy Onyxes. It's just a great shoe to have, a great SKU to have. This is more miscellaneous. Again, this is my new personal that I'm going to be keeping. I've got a white pair of these, and I've also got a black pair of these that I'm going to be keeping. I just think they're clean. I don't like wearing really hype stuff all the time, so it's going to be like my new beta shoe. If you see, I literally see me around everywhere. I'm always wearing Yeezy slides, so I'm gonna start wearing SBs a bit more. Some miscellaneous stuff, Ocean Dunks, Travis's. We've got the reverse mockers, they should be there for that. Some GS Jordan 4s. What else have we got here? Photon Dusts. We've got 1, 2, 3 pairs of adults. We're picking up more tomorrow actually, so we have another 5 pairs then, but we also did cop a lot more GS, so we got a lot of GS for retail, so I'm not complaining too much. These are all Dunk Low Grey Fogs. We've had a nice refresh of stock recently, so I'm quite happy where I am with stock. I just need to get selling now. Some miscellaneous stock again, some foam runners. These are quite clean, to be fair. I got a lot of requests for them. I haven't sold them because it's the only pair I have, so I haven't really wanted to. Military blacks, not really much else. Seafoams, and then some miscellaneous. Got some Stage Haze and so on. But stock at the moment is really good. I'm in a really good place. We've got Crep City Manchester coming up on 19th of March. If you're going to be there, make sure you come say hello to me. But apart from that, we're now going to package up the shoes, get them shipped off, and we've also got some other little admin things that are boring that you probably don't want to see, but we'll get to that now. Here they all are. I'm sorry if the audio quality is not as good. Got to give a massive shout out to Shiv for this. I'll pop up their Instagram or TikTok, whatever social they want on screen right now, because as part of the meetup I wanted a pair of these and he had my size and he gave me them for retail, so I've got to say a big thank you for that, man. Definitely going to get these on when I get inside. But yeah, a load of Photon Dusts. We've got GS sizes and adult sizes, range from 8 to 12 and 4.5 to 6, which are some really nice pairs. Been moving really well for me. Well, it's 9:30. Too late to be working, I would say. What we've got to do now is we've got to obviously put them all in the books. Biggest thing about sneaker selling is make sure you keep track of all your expenses, all your stock and so on. And we've got some massive releases coming up in March, so this video should be going out in the next week. So by the time this video is out, you're probably just about to have the Jordan 3 white cements, which I am going all out for. I'm hoping I can hit a good 10 to 20 pairs comfortably. Looks like there's going to be nice stock and it's a really packed month. We've got Tiffany Air Forces. We've also got the Jordan 4 SB Pine Greens, which I'm super hyped for. Here's a load more of Onyx slides and also some flax slides. The last 2 rows, I think, are flax slides. So make sure you do enter that giveaway. We've got some massive releases coming up, which means you've got to do everything you possibly can to increase your chances. As you may know, I run a group called KaiKicks Apprentice, which is going to help you do exactly that. I run a cook group where we teach you everything you need to know about. So if you are interested in joining, you want to find out more, click the top link down in the description. Don't sleep on it. And I'll see you guys in the group. In terms of what I paid for these, obviously we got blessed for the Jordan 1 85 pandas for retail. Adult ones we paid around the 220 mark, I think it was. I aim to sell them about 20 above ask. That's what I tend to do. Always aim to at least make 10 to 20% profit. That's kind of my margins I work off. So I spend £100, I want to get 110, £120 at least after all the fees and so on. But yeah, it's been a good day reselling. So you've got to let me know what videos you want to see. What do you find most entertaining? These day in the lives are easy for me. I don't mind doing them, or do you prefer them more how to start reselling? Do you prefer the drop recaps? The shoes we got upcoming, what do you think is best? Let me know down in the comments. Remember to enter the giveaway, subscribe to the channel, like the video, screenshot that, go over to my Instagram, KaiKicks.uk, make sure you follow me on there as well, and you send me a screenshot of that proof. I will then pick a couple people, whether that's for the flax slides or the free proxies, but you have to make sure you are subscribed to the channel because now we're on that road to 10k. If you want to start doing what I'm doing, start reselling, check out KaiKicks Apprentice, but apart from that, enjoy the rest of your day, evening, whatever you're doing. Good luck in all your releases, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.